Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you follow our YouTube channel, you probably recognize this area. To date, this is where we've been filming all of our videos and product spotlights. As you can see and hear, it's not exactly the best spot for making quality YouTube videos, and because of that, we've been forced to film at night, Saturdays, Sundays, off hours, just trying to fit that stuff in between the hustle and bustle of the regular shop going on here. Not to mention the lighting's not spectacular. We're using some pretty simple, basic lighting that we're gonna put something a little nicer together back in the actual room, but this is basically a functioning shop on the daily basis, and we've got a lot going on. It's impossible to keep sound down and keep everyone else out of the shot, so we're gonna leave this area and make our new home at the back of the building. And we're decided while we're doing this, we might as well put a video series together to show you guys how to build a YouTube studio. If you ever get the opportunity to do it, maybe learn from our mistakes or get some tips. Who knows? We'll see what happens on that level. Ready? Let's jump on these skateboards and go check it out. Alright, this is our loading dock area. We're gonna check it out. Shipments and deliveries. The room we're going to use is actually down these steps. Follow me. Moment of truth. Follow me. As you can see, this room is in need of a lot of help, but it's going to make a great YouTube studio for us and allow us to get away from the noises like that, and we shut the doors and make things as quiet as we can get. But we're going to start off by upgrading the lights, get these old ancient T12s out of here, obviously a fresh coat of paint, clean up, paint the garage floor. We got this brand new lift that we're going to get installed later today, and once we get that done, we'll start bringing in all the shop related stuff, run some air lines, basically make this a dedicated install YouTube studio. So even got a bathroom too in case things get real bad while we're filming. Don't have far to go, and a shower if it's really dirty. Hopefully I won't need to use the shower while filming YouTube, but if I do, it went really wrong. So this room's kind of a funny story because we used to use this. We used to call it the race room. When we moved in this building, it was actually a gym, and there's all kinds of gym equipment and mirrors on the wall and all kinds of stuff, and we tore all that stuff out. Actually painted the FD drift cars in here. That's why the floor is green from all the overspray. And we used to come here and put our race cars and all this stuff after each Formula drift around, store it here, offload the trailer, then load up. So you can see that there's still remnants. Here we got some fresh Achilles that I'm gonna have to burn off this year. So we're gonna get all this crap out of here and start doing all the fix-up stuff ASAP.
Do you even lift, bro?
Lift's in place. This room, major step done. Next phase, we're gonna do some paint, a little cleanup. cleanup work, some electric stuff, get the lighting squared away in here. Looking forward to getting this room wrapped up and in use. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Interested to hear if you have any other ideas, maybe something we're forgetting, something we should think about doing. So stay tuned for next episode. See you then.
Do you even lift, bro?